dude. Botswana! Papagena.
Hello?
Henchman, someone trapped you in this picture. I'll get you out.
How long is he gonna do that for? I honestly don't know.
Do.
Speaky Box! The eliminated contestants! They've escaped!
No hard feelings?
You again!
Aw, that's really sweet.
I thought they were going to be rioters. But still, they shouldn't be here!
Didn't escape! Your stupid box exploded! Trying to get everyone to stay, arguing that we shouldn't defy your wishes as a host, but...
I've got a solution. We're going to have a rejoin. Grumbling, I've got a solution to that too. We'll also eliminate one of the currently competing contestants as well. Grumbling, I've got a solution to that too. We'll...
No, stop! Okay, that's enough!
Very well. Anyway, I'm going to split you guys into 6 groups of 2.
We did that last time. You have ideas?
Whoa, announcer, you cry acid?
Yes.
Hello? Hello?
Vernon hot dog.
That's enough, Stella! Move that
Toothpaste
token!
and jam.
Are we still enemies?
Yeah, Needy's my enemy now. She looked at me funny.
Minion Rose.
You don't have anything to say? She took a vow of silence because we're being eliminated. What's that going to accomplish? Sounds dumb.
Ruler and Mike.
Okay, I guess.
Sidewalkie and David. Sticker and Beach Ball.
Hello? What's going on?
Hold this. Your challenge today is twofold. In 10 minutes, whichever team is holding this chest will have their currently competing contestant taken out of the game, with the eliminated contestant rejoining the game in their place. That's right. You'll be working against your teammate.
What the? I don't want this!
Yo, did I miss something? Nothing important. Teammate. Teammate? We're working together? Yep, just gotta make sure we aren't holding onto this chest before the time runs out, and then we both win. What are we waiting for? Let's ditch this thing. Let's go hide.
That's just cold, lying to your friend like that.
Oh, be
quiet and go chase the
Get out!
chest.
Get out!
I'm not going to hurt you. You're my henchman.
Oh, right.
Anyway, I've got a plan on how to get toothpaste out of the last episode.
Wait,
What? Oh, no, don't tell me you were going to try and get me out.
well, I mean...
That's my last one. You can't leave me too.
Well, if it isn't Mr. Toast too
2
much.
minutes left on the timer. You just need to grab the chest and bring it back here. Got it? Go on, henchman.
2 minutes.
Chest jammy.
I'm keeping it. I'm getting you out. I'm rejoining the game.
But we need to get Needy out. She's the enemy.
She's your enemy. I'm trying to win for myself.
Okay then.
Why aren't you going for the chest? You've been active before, why not now? Why do you even exist? You're so weird! Do you even want to rejoin?
Time to go, Gabby Goose.
Here, this must be yours.
Thanks.
I need that.
You want that chest? You have to go through me, hot dog!
Sure, that's easy.
What?
What are you even doing? Fine, don't talk to me. I'm not here to have a conversation. As long as you're not getting that chest, I don't care. I haven't cared once this entire competition. It's been working out for me just fine. You're not gonna break me, Rose.
Hey, that's mine.
I'm not letting you beat me, Rose. Oh my glass. Is Is that what caring feels like? This feels great! I feel alive! I'm gonna try trying!
This is such an easy challenge. No one's even tried to give us the chest yet. Yeah, how lucky we are. Oh shoot! If Baseball sees people chasing after the chest, they'll know I lied to them. Fast. Why'd you do that, Sticker? It, was an accident. It really looked like you threw it, but I know you'd never lie to me.
Yes! I did it! I'm strong! I'm ready now. You guys all doubted me. Well, guess what? You won't run me over this time!
Enough already.
Really? Guys, I don't get it. I became strong!
Working out once doesn't make you strong.
This is the cinemas. Have some respect. And open your eyes. This is what you wanted to show me in your fur. How did this happen? It's too much weightlifting. It happens all the time. You'll lift more than you're able to, and then you'll hurt yourself. It was Vern's fault.
Get out!
So much running. I wonder how Toothpaste is pulling up. She's not even sweating. I've got to come up with a plan.
You're the worst person I've ever met, and I hate everyone!
I could just crush you! The biggest and most violent crush I've ever done!
Aha!
3, 2, 1!
Oh, well, if it isn't Mr. Peanut again. Out you go!
It worked! Toothpaste is gone. The chest is mine. Wait, where is the chest? Who stole it?
Stole? Jammy, my dear, the entire point of the challenge is to get rid of the chest. How dumb are you?
Beach ball. Beach ball. The chest. The chest.
You give the chest by the end of the time you rejoin the game, Beach Ball.
I didn't want to get out! I'm sorry!
They do not pay
There
me
you are,
enough to deal
henchman.
with this
I'll be
baloney.
taking that.
Get up,
Now for the
get
plan.
out.
Firstly, we're going
Wait.
to... But henchmen aren't supposed to interrupt.
I know. It's very hard to get the chest.
What do you want, a trophy?
Well, no. But a thank you would be nice.
Henchmen don't get thank yous. Now come on, let's go do the plan. We just have to get to where everyone else is. Huh? Yes, you did your job, but we still have the rest of the plan to do.
Well, if it isn't Mr. Talks Too Much.
So evil to me. You're going to be evil to everyone else.
Well, that's stupid.
They do not pay me enough to deal with this baloney. Get up, get out.
Boop. Time's up. Who has the chest?
We already told you, Spico. It disappeared.
No, it didn't.
Huh?
Wow. Good job, Money. That means that ruler is out, and you rejoin the game. The cake this time is a glass of water. And you 5, you missed your chance. Have fun in the TLC.
It's broken!
I bought a new one.
That's it, buddy. You're out of here.
Vote for your favorite contestant. These will be added to the votes from last time. These votes will be important later.
That's it, buddy. You're out of here. They do not pay me enough to deal with this baloney. Get up, get out.